The cost to build a Hobbit home is a complex question with a wide range of answers. It depends heavily on your approach, location, and desired level of comfort. The most significant factor is whether you build it yourself or hire professionals. A dedicated do-it-yourself builder can create a small, rustic dwelling for a surprisingly low amount. The journey begins with land, which can be the biggest variable, ranging from nearly free if you already own a suitable plot to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. After securing land, you'll need permits, which can cost anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on your local regulations. For a true DIY build, materials are the next consideration. Using reclaimed wood, salvaged windows, and natural materials like earth and stone can keep costs incredibly low, perhaps between $10,000 and $30,000 for the basic structure. However, connecting to public utilities like water, sewer, and electricity can add another $5,000 to $20,000 or more. Therefore, a very basic, off-grid DIY Hobbit home could potentially be built for as little as $15,000, but a more realistic budget for a DIY project with basic utilities would be closer to $40,000 to $60,000. On the other end of the spectrum is the professionally built Hobbit home. This route offers convenience and expertise, but at a much higher price. You can start with prefabricated kits, which provide the basic shell and components. These kits can range from $20,000 for a tiny pod to over $100,000 for a larger, multi-room structure, not including labor, foundation, or finishing. For a fully custom home, you would hire an architect and a specialized builder. This is the most expensive option, with costs often calculated per square foot. For such a unique, labor-intensive structure, you can expect to pay anywhere from $300 to $500 per square foot. This means a modest 800 square foot custom Hobbit home could easily cost between $240,000 and $400,000. This price escalates quickly with luxury finishes, custom-made round doors and windows, high-end appliances, and intricate woodwork. Ultimately, the final price tag is determined by size, complexity, location, and your choice of finishes. A small, self-built shelter could be under $20,000, while a large, architect-designed luxury earth home can exceed $500,000. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more unique home ideas.